Good morning and welcome to a special day at the Dude Ranch. Today we're not going to be working on guitars, we're going to be looking at guitars. And what I want you to look at is some of these fantastic guitars that are entered into the Great Guitar Build-Off. And I'm going to show you some that I just think are just absolutely awesome. These things are beautiful, they're gorgeous, gorgeous! Yeah, so here I am. It's 4th of July, it's Sunday. Most people would be getting ready to, cleaning off their picnic blankets and getting their picnic baskets all loaded up and ready for fireworks. And I'm working, I'm paying bills, I'm sitting at my desk. And I thought, you know what? I said that now that I got time, I was going to look at some of these guitars, and I'm looking at them and, oh my gosh. Just starting with that one. I don't know if you can see it. You know what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do some editing. I'm going to pop in some pictures for you, and I'm going to show you the ones that I think should be in the top 10. Of course, I want the multitasker in there. There's no doubt, but you know what? There are plenty here that I would be happy to concede to, and they're just beautiful. And this is just the ones I'm going to talk about are just the scratch builds, because that's of course the category I'm in. But if you look at the ones that kit builds, oh my goodness, these guys, say what you want. I mean, some people think, oh, kit build, well, half the work's done for them. No, really, it's the beautification of the piece of wood is, to me, it's 90% or more of what a guitar build is about. Yes, you want a comfortable neck. Yes, you want a good fret job. You want the thing to stay in tune and good electronics. But really, I mean, if it looks like a hunk of wood, some guys might want that for a niche appeal, but it won't last long. But it's all about how pretty you can make that hunk of wood. And there's some guys here who really have talent, guys and gals. I mean, there's some really, really cool ones. Anyway, let me clip over to the pictures and do some voiceover stuff for you so you can see what I'm talking about. And once again, thanks for tuning into Dudecraft Guitars. All right, so I promise these are in no particular order, but if you remember what Jason Makes did last year with Odin, this time he comes back, what's this Medusa thing going on here? Oh my gosh, the guy can carve. Let's put it that way. And of course we got old Chris over there from King Bestokes. What can I say? I like boats, and this guy just captured what shipping is all about. It's just awesome. And look at these. I'm not going to try all the name pronunciations, but these guitars are just gorgeous, and all for their own reasons. I really like them. Look at this. Oh my gosh. They're just awesome. They're awesome guitars. I am going to have links in the description so you guys can go and click on these for yourself and see what they're all about. Look, this one, you know what I like about this one? You know those like air tube dancers you see at car lots? That's what this one reminds me of. It's got a lot of motion to it. I can just see it dancing. It's just really cool. And pointy. Nothing wrong with pointy guitars. And this one, oh my. Look at that bridge system and the tailpiece. The tailpiece is the guitar. It's just, oh my, it's so slick. It is just, and this one, well, you know me. If it comes apart, I'm going to like it. So this one's got, and look, you can put on different wings. It's just awesome. And who doesn't like a good old backpacker? Only this one's even done better because it's got some more curves to it. Angles, I guess you could say. And then look at that. It's got a flute. So it's not only has it got a sound hole, but a flute. Jigsaw puzzle. This guy has got to be a leader in his woodworking group. Look at that headstock. And this. How does this one not have more votes? Go to this link, put votes. I said I wasn't going to tell you who my favorites are, but this guy deserves more votes. I put all 5 of his pictures on here. By the way, I borrowed these pictures from the Great Guitar Build-Off. These are not my photos. I probably have no right to share them, but I'm doing it anyway. And this one right here, this is the last one I'm going to put up because this is a weapon of mass thunderage. And at the point that I'm making this video, he's got like 19 votes. That's just wrong. People go and vote for this guitar. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that. It's been a lot of fun doing the Great Guitar Build-Off, and if they ask me to do it again next year, I'm going to do it again. I don't care. The results are the results. People are going to vote for what they vote for. We're going to have judge panel for the top 10. That's cool, but it's just the organization, the whole everything behind it is just awesome, and I really love the intent. I love the meaning. I love the mission statement, everything about it. And what can I say? Now you got what I said, the ones that I like. There are a lot of others. I can't go over all of them in all details of why I like them, but every single every single person entered in here has just done some just beautiful work. What can I say? Of course, I want you to vote for mine. But if you're going to vote for anybody else's, put these. Get this. You could vote for up to 10 different people if you want. So it doesn't matter. I mean, you can vote. Actually, I think you can even vote beyond that, but it sounds ridiculous. So just vote for your top 10. Put mine in one of them and then vote for 9 others. That's all I'm asking. All right. Hey, folks, happy 4th of July. Have a wonderful weekend, what's left of it. And for those of you who are lucky enough to get tomorrow off, enjoy that day too. And what can I say? God bless and come on back. Please click like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all that jazz to help grow this channel. I really appreciate it. Thanks again for tuning in to Dudecraft Guitars.